Welcome to another session of Ebenezer GATE coaching classes. This is a problem that appeared in GATE 2024. It is a multiple choice question for 2 marks. A continuous time signal x of t equal to 2 cos 8 pi t plus pi by 3 is sampled at the rate of 15 Hz. The sampled signal x s of t when passed through an LTI system with impulse response h of t sin 2 pi t by pi t cos 38 pi t minus pi by 2 produces an output x naught of t. The expression of x naught of t is. Now one input signal is passing through a system with impulse response h of t. So let us find out what is h of f. H of f has to be found out. Now sin 2 pi t by pi t, its Fourier transform we'll have to find out. Now we know that for a rectangular signal, the Fourier transform is t sinc f t. What is sinc f t? Sinc x is sin pi x by pi x. So this is t sin pi f t by pi f t, or sin pi f t by pi f. Now using the duality property, we can, if x of t's Fourier transform is x of f, then x of t's Fourier transform will be x of minus f. And since now similarly we can write rectangular its Fourier transform is sin pi f capital T by pi f. Now instead of f, if you put t, so if you put instead of f t, that means the Fourier transform pair, if you put instead of f t, this Fourier transform will be here instead of t you put minus f. So, and rectangular function is symmetric about the y-axis, so this can be minus f can be replaced by plus f also. Now let us, the given function is sin 2 pi t by pi t, sin 2 pi t by pi t. So sin 2 pi t by pi t. So if you compare this with sin pi t t by pi t, so here capital T is equal to 2. So its Fourier transform, the Fourier transform of sin 2 pi t by pi t will be rectangular f by 2. So this is, if we draw it, it is from -1 to +1, with an amplitude 1. Now this is multiplied by cos 38 pi t. So this is 38 pi t means its frequency is going to be 2 pi f is 38, so by 2 pi is 19 hertz. So if you multiply by 19 hertz, this gets shifted by 19 hertz. So this gets, if you multiply this by cos 38 pi t plus something plus some phi, that means that is the frequency shift of, this represents the frequency of 19 hertz. 2 pi f is 38 pi by, so this gets shifted by 19. So you will get something like this. It gets shifted by, this will become 19, this is 18, and this is going to be 20. So this gets shifted by 19 hertz. Now this x of t is sampled at 15 hertz. So this x of t is having a frequency of 4 hertz. So x of t, if you draw x of t is going to be having at 4 and at minus 4. This is x of t. Now it is sampled at 15 hertz. When you sample f, then it becomes so x of nts, when you sample of ts, then this is actually going to be as, in its Fourier transform, its Fourier series will be 1 by ts summation of x of f minus nfs. So it's multiplied by 1 by ts and it's shifted by fs periodically. So this, so if x of f is having minus 4 and plus 4, so then once you sample it, it is, its amplitude, x of t's amplitude is 2. So its amplitude is 2. This is x of t. This is x of t. Now if you sample it, then it's multiplied by fs, so it becomes a series of, so this will be 30, this will be 30, and it will repeat. So the n is 0 means, if n is 0 it is x of f, if n is 1 means it is shifted by fs. Fs is 15. So this is 0. At 15 also you will have 15 minus 4, 11, and 15 plus 4, 19. And its amplitude will be 30. Now it is passing through this filter. This filter is having, once it multiplied by cos, it will have an amplitude of half. So at 19 it is passing and it is going to get multiplied by half. So the signal effectively at 19 we have 30, it is multiplied by half, so you will get 30 by 250. So the output will be having an amplitude of 50. Is that clear? This is half. Sample signal will have a multiplication factor of 15, so 2 into 15 is 30. So you'll have a 30 multiplied by half will appear at the amplitude at the output. And what happens to the input phase is pi by 3. Input phase is pi by 3, and this function has a phase change of minus pi by 2. So the phase becomes pi by 3 minus pi by 2. Phase is initially pi by 2, pi by 3, and it is passing through an impulse system with impulse response, which gives a phase shift of minus pi by 2. So it is phase is my pi by 3 minus pi by 2, which is going to be 2 pi by 6 minus 3 pi by 6, which is minus pi by 6. So the output will have the same frequency as the input, but the output will be have an frequency of 19, and its amplitude will be 30 by 2, 15, and there will be a phase shift of minus pi by 6. So 15 cos 38 pi t minus pi by 6 is the answer. Thank you. God bless you.